Oh yeah, that's hanging.
I think you got it.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be badass. The honcho should be great.
Yeah.
Oh.
And where is the lizard? In the blood.
You need to follow mine though. No, it don't move. Do not go nowhere near that water with that truck. I promise you, I will eat up every last.
All right, now that's decently deep here. That's a little bit deep.
I've submerged one before, didn't hurt it.
What is it?
Cactus.
Oh. You got it. Your server was nowhere near. Yeah, just jump across it.
Oh yeah.
No.
Just cake for those.
One of the few things that's easier for us to do.
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
They keep sliding towards that side.
It looks like the
real rigid industry. Because when the rigids are on, you can't see the LEDs
Yeah,
like
yeah.
you can with RC four-wheel drives and stuff. I don't know how rigid the RC four-wheel drive rigid versions look, but the realistic ones that go on the 1-1 skills.
Just like
I think
that.
what kills it.